Hi everybody, and welcome back to Arts and Crafts. We are doing a winter themed, Christmas themed arts and crafts tonight, and we are doing paper snowflakes. So if you've never made paper snowflakes before, they're kind of easy. I know a lot of you like origami. You liked when we had origami night last year, and that was something you requested and you enjoyed. So making paper snowflakes uses the same techniques that you use in origami because it is paper folding. So as you can see, mine are a little crooked and a little weird, but they did come out. I didn't use a pattern. I found a couple patterns online, but I decided I was just going to freehand it when I did the video. So they do look like paper snowflakes. So despite the fact that I am not the best paper folder, it still worked out well. So that bodes well for everybody that's better at this too. So you'll see in the time-lapse video, and you'll also see in the instruction sheet, because I took a picture of each step, you just take a regular sheet of paper and you fold it so that you make a triangle. You cut that excess off the top, then you make a couple more folds, and then once you get to your final triangle, then you can draw or trace a pattern onto it. And you don't even have to draw or trace a pattern onto it. If you want to just freehand it and like start cutting, that's fine. The only thing you definitely don't want to do is you don't want to cut all the way straight across, except for the bottom, because that's what puts the hole in the middle. But if you cut straight across further up, you just hack off a whole piece of your snowflake, and that's not what you want to do. So there's not really too many like instructions other than how to fold the paper so that it turns out right. But other than that, you're pretty much free to go and to design and do what you please. And then what's fun about these is you can use them, you know, as decorations on a table. You could hang them up in the windows. You could even, you know, give them out as gifts or as cards for Christmas. So there's really a lot that you can do with these. But if you enjoy origami and you enjoy paper folding, this is definitely an activity for you. So you can also send me pictures of your snowflakes. I would love to see them. You can send them my email address that is on the Children's Department website. But other than that, that is it for arts and crafts for this month actually, because we're only doing one a month now. So we hope you enjoyed this craft. Can't wait to see your designs, and we can't wait to be back together for programs as soon as we can. Have a great day.